Alright, we're testing out the door latch jig. We've got our mark for our door hole edge indicator. We use the scribe arrows on the jig to get the line correct. Now, clamp that off. Using the depth indicator on our router bit, we can make sure that is correct. It's all good. Now, turning on the router, and we're going to plunge the striker latch. That's good. All right, we put our drill insert in. We use our mark our screw holes. Now we're going to use the borehole drill. Nice. Take it. Clean her up. Now we use our corner punch. Right. Insert our latch. There you are. Beautiful.